Stay, stay. You need to clean your head first. Then step forward, okay? First the head, and then the ears. Yeah, like that boy, okay? Wow. Then your neck. Your ears, that's man, huh? What? Don't kiss me. Why you like this crap? Don't kiss me, okay? And then your ears. Smell it. This is ear cleaner. Your mouth is bad smell. Clean properly. Yes. And then rinse. Okay. Okay. Need to rinse. You must clean properly your dog. My dog. Oh, you're still good boy, huh? Okay, and then the body. Ayan, boy. Scrub the whole body. Good boy, ah. You? This part. Ma, Bobby, in your ears, ha? Mati na yung trainer nyo, ha? Your trainer come and then go to the bed. Wow. Your ears.
Huwag masyadong pasok ka.
Ito, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. Sabi
Diyan,
mo.
dyan lang sa may labas na.
Hindi tayo use na, boy. Come, the other one. Mark, Mark, come on. Mark. Psst. Mark. Bobby, gusto. Dua. Mark, hey, come. Come on. Mark. Bobby, you finished. Ano nasa teka mo?
No. Saktan siya, kuya.
Hindi. Dumi, oh. Pwede na. Okay. Okay, training time. Happy is here. Yan si Happy, ano yan? Retired police officer. Ang trabaho niyan, trainer ng mga K9 ng police. Hong Kong police, yan. The best trainer. Yun, oh. Yun, no? Okay, after training,
Ito na sila sa ano?
go to the veterinary for booster shot. Yan, you know. Ito na sila sa vet. Oh, boy, oh. Yung tali.
Isa lang.
Oo. Yan, punta na kami sa vet. Hello, boy. Hello. Okay. See you there. Mark. Sit. Hoy. Okay na. Yan. Kuha mo to. Mark. Bobby. Mark. Bobby. Boy.
Kid boy. May asa ka. Dito naman tayo sa labas.
Boy.
Bobby.
Boy. Come on, boy. Sit. Boy.
Bigay ko muna yung ano, kuya.
Ha?
Papel nila.
Iyog mo muna yan. Yun yung ano nila, oh. Yun ang service nila. Mid-level veterinary center. Takot sila sa dalawa. Nung nakakakita sa mga aso namin, takot sila kasi malalaki. Boy. Sit. Mark. Bobby. Sit. Psst. Buksan mo yan. Diyan tayo. Wait. Sit.
Okay lang, friendly naman kita. Kasi lang
Shit. Shit. Wait. Sit. Bobby. Mark. Sit. Sit. Mark. Stay.
Good boy.
Stay.
Stay. It's okay.
Slow. Wait. Mark. Stay. Down. Down. Mark. Down. Down. Down, Mark. Down. Why you didn't listen, huh? Down. Down. There, stay. 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 Sinong nagaganon? Bobby? Bobby, down. Bobby, down. Down. Uy, down. Bobby, down. Stay. 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 Mark.
Okay.
Stay. Okay. Bobby's done. And then it's your turn, Mark. Go inside. Stay there, Bobby, okay? Yeah. Okay.
Bobby? Bobby? Bobby?
Yeah.
Okay, just stay. Good boy.
Go, Mark. Yeah. Yeah, that is for Mark. Okay, Mark. Mark is done. Bobby.
Done.
Bobby.
Don't touch it.
Yeah. Mark
By
is
the
good.
way, do you need to?
The one? Oh, I just finished last month. Yeah, I
do you
just
need
gave
more?
them last month.
Do you need more?
Maybe we still have one application in my house. Maybe later.
Okay.
I just want to get the
Drop.
eardrop, boy. They smell the dog girl, huh?
This is the ear wash.
Yeah. Stay, Mark, ha? Don't move. Stay. O, ang ate yan yung magtimbang daw siya, o. Ha? O, wala 60. O, ayun, o. Ako. Stay. Wow, 8.20. 8.2. Okay lang.
Pupuin mo lang siya ko. Nag-vacuum yung isa, oh. Ay, sit down here.
Sit. Sit. Bobby, sit. Down. Stay. You'll get your report. You pay your bill, okay? Stay. Magkano kaya ang bill natin? Stay.
Isang vaccine lang sila.
Oh, pares na ba?
Ah.
Okay, go.
Dali di. Ano mo kuya, oh. Mag-vacuum. Papaupuin mo na.
Okay, sit. Bobby, sit.
Oh,
Down.
okay. Just stay there.
Okay, stay. Stay.
Not yet.
Yes, okay.
The drops have already.
Yeah,
Okay. Lagay na lang natin ito para hindi makalimutan kung hindi mo ilalagay. Uy, binigyan mo. Oo.
So this one, 9:30 plus...
Sa akin lang nakikinig yan. Sa
Okay.
yung tatay nila, sa kanila. Kasi, ano eh, sumasaway, hindi nila inaano. Sa akin lang natatak yan. Tsaka sa trainer. May trainer yan eh.
Kailangan mo i-build na ikaw yung alpha nila.
Oo, sabi mo nga sa kanila, kailangan ikaw sila ang makinig sa'yo o huwag sila ang makinig sa aso.
Hinayaan mo sila talaga.
Oo,
Maandarin ka ng
may nilapon ka.
malalaki ka naman.
Yes, totoo ka.
Ay, sus.
Isa pala silang ano. Okay, we go. Natusok na sila. Oh. Sakay mo na sila. Wow, ang bilis nila. No. Stay. Stay, boy.
No, inside.
Inside. Bobby, inside. Oh, alis ka na dyan. Oh. Boy.
Stay.
Okay. Nasa home na sila. Buksan mo muna yon. Tatalo na yan. Oh. Oh. Wah, sasakay pa. Go home.